play the part of a fool so in love, losing all in the end. Who'd have ever thought I'd find myself taking no chances again?
Hi, Songbird. Regine.
Hello.
It's been a great year for you. Concert after concert after concert and movie after movie.
Yes, I want to say thank you to everybody who watched my concert last night at the Music Museum. Maraming salamat po.
And you have another one?
And I have another one on December 22nd. I will be at the Fort. Meron silang tent doon and I'm gonna be there for a Christmas show. And on the 30th, for a New Year's show, I will be at the Inyares Stadium in saan nga ba yun? Sa Glorieta 2 on December 2, Glorieta 2 para ho sa launching ng live album ko. Tsaka sa 30th nga, wag niyong kalimutan sa Inyares Gym. Saan ba yung Antipolo?
Yes, alam ko yan, sa Inyares Gym.
Yeah. I'd like to also say happy birthday to Olive Roque of UST and